Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, because like, comment, share and subscribe is free, so that you must help me just to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Ethereum. Latest crypto news: US Sanction crypto Messi service tornado case. Robinhood finds $30 million and lays off almost 25% of staff. BlackRock's in crypto deal with Coinbase Alex Gilly on Twitter. Augustus 8, 2022, 5 min read share. In 2022, Bitcoin price has dropped by nearly 50% since its all-time high of $68,000 in November. Ethereum has followed Bitcoin lead, and so has just about every other cryptocurrency. The crypto market, which has been tracking with the stock market lately, has been scarcely of the border market sell of risky assets as investors watch weekly inflation, the war in Ukraine, and shift in U.S. monetary policy not easily correlated to stock. The crypto and stock market are rising and falling in similar patterns. June in particular was a whirlwind month for the crypto industry. Several crypto companies announced losses and froze withdrawals due to extreme market conditions. Some have even filed for bankruptcy to stem losses, and some experts are warning that what might be yet to come, and Bitcoin price as well as other cryptocurrencies could drop even further. Sometimes bear market can last up to several months. Charlie Federico, a crypto expert and founder of Guidify, recently told Next Advisor during an Instagram live. Some people track the 20-week average for Bitcoin, and according to that gas is in the $20,000 to $30,000 range. I don't know where it's going to go, but they said on past trends we have been in that range. The latest crypto market crash is just a reminder for investors that crypto assets come with extra risk and volatility, especially in times of economic and political uncertainty like we're in now. That's why experts advise not to make financial decisions based on news related panics or hippie. Here is what investors should make of the latest crypto news. The latest crypto market crash is just a reminder for investors that crypto should come with extra risk and volatility. Okay guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, because I always talking you about cryptocurrency or about Ethereum or Bitcoin. Well, See you.